guys? Welcome back to the vlog. It's K510 Automotive Group. Before we get to anything, man, shout out to my homie Angel. Get well soon, you know. Prayers up for the family. And yeah, man. If y'all don't know, Angel linked me with my homie Terrence, which did my welds on my rim. So y'all seen the previous video, like I had a crack in my rim, and Terrence got me together, you know. If I wouldn't know Terrence if it wasn't for Angel. Shout out to him, man. Get well soon. Prayers up for the family. So we got some new meat for the 540. You know what I mean? This tire was flat. But I got some, I don't know what they call it, 4-way. But this is the size around the back, 235, 40, 18, XL. So it's gonna have like a little stretch. These rims are pretty wide on the back. So, yep. That's what we got for this video. And I'll see y'all when I'm ready to throw them in the car. Alright guys, we all mounted up with the new tires. Fresh meat, both tires. And now we're about to mount them on the car. Hey, what's up guys? It's K510 Automotive Group. It's another day, same video. But I just wanted y'all to check out the stance on the 540 since I put Alright guys, so today, man, I'm just gonna hook my mom up. You know, when you're the mechanic in the family, everybody hits you up, you know what I mean, get them out the way. Today we're gonna do an oil change on a Toyota, I think it's called a Versa or something like that.
Venza.
A Venza, yeah. Toyota Venza, we're gonna do an oil change on that. So I'm just gonna be something quick. I ain't really dressed to get dirty today, but you know, since I'm around, I might as well do what I can, you know? Alright guys, so first thing when you're doing an oil change, make sure you take off your oil cap. It just gives it better flow once you take off the cap. It's like a radiator. When you're bleeding out a radiator, you take off the cap, so it causes like a vacuum, you know? So this one's a little tricky because you need a Toyota cap. One of those little, it has a plastic filter, like a BMW basically. It has a cartridge filter, so you can use these and take it off. So that's what we're gonna do. Shout out to my wife for copying me this little creeper thing. I really like it, man. Matter of fact, let me show y'all what this guy do real quick. You know what I mean? So it's a regular creeper, but it's like a little pin at the side you pull out, and you can like convert it to like a chair. It folds like that. And you push that part in. Then it turn like a little chair, like when you doing breaks and stuff, like shit like that. You know what I mean? That's cool though. I ain't never seen one of these. So this is my first time seeing this type of stuff. Now I'm using it to do an oil change, guys. It's called a Creeper 2. Hey, what's up, guys? I know this video is a little all over the place, man, but I wanted to close it out. Yeah, man, prayers up to my prayers up for my homie Angel. Man, he's like in some critical condition, man. I hope he pulls through, you know, and I feel bad, you know, that he's going through this stuff, man. But yeah, man, prayers up, man. Hope you pull through, man. I know you the strongest nigga I ever met, dog. Like, been through a lot, man. Definitely a good spirit, man. Good person. You just tell that he's genuine, you know what I mean? And shout out again to Terrence at Method Garage. Go looking for the whales. They held up. I just took my kids on the ride in the 540, man. It was cool. But yeah, make sure, man, like and subscribe to this channel, man. And because it's K510, if you can make 5, you can make 10. We're gonna keep going up. You know what I mean? It's a Batman thing, you know, till we reach the tip top, and we're non-stop. Peace.